No,
teacher, Moabit is going really well.
Mohammed is going always really well, but also we need to do the lessons, you know. Okay, so Erman, if the Mohammed is going really well, let's see how it's going.
Don't ask me, please, teacher. No.
Why
No,
not? You are a good
no, no, I'm
student.
just here to listen, teacher.
You are
No,
a
no,
good
no.
student. You are solving very good in exams. You have 5, so please, Heide.
Please, no, teacher, no.
Why, Ben?
Please, please.
We were solving these questions. We solved both of 2 of them. Yes.
For the second one, we didn't finish.
We didn't finish. Yeah, we didn't have time. Yeah. Did you finish by your own?
Yes, I did.
Some of you, yes. Some of you, no.
I didn't, teacher.
Which one?
Didn't. Okay. So, see, if you remember, we said that if we have the sides of the angles, if they are parallel and they are on the same direction, they are congruent to each other. So here we said that DEL is same as ABC. Yes? First, we found what is DEL. DEL, we have found that it is 250 minus 4x from here. Yes? Now,
Yes.
we know that measure of DEL is same as measure of angle ABC. Do you remember this one?
Yes.
This is the property that maybe you have written. Let me show you here, this one. The measures of 2 angles with parallel sides in the same direction are equal. Now, from here, DEL is 250 minus 4x and ABC is 3x minus 30. Then knowns and unknowns in one side, 250 plus 30 will be 3x plus 4x. Now this is 280 is equal to 7x. When I will divide by 7,
Okay.
x will be 40 degrees. So we are looking for x? Yes, we are looking for x. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see the third one. I mean here the 11th one. It's in this other page. Here it's given that D and L, they are parallel to each other and we are looking for x. Now it's very easy. I will continue that.
Can I do it, teacher?
Hi, Alexander, why not?
It's Stanislav, teacher.
I didn't say
Stanislav, sorry, hi, Stanislav.
Oh, teacher, this is a surprise, huh?
Yeah, I didn't wait.
It's 115 on the other side, teacher. D, it's 115.
This
There.
one you
Just
mean?
draw, yeah.
Yes.
115.
Then we do 180 minus 115
Okay,
on the side. We calculate.
let's do 180 minus 115. What is the result? 65?
65, yeah.
Which part is 65?
Just draw one more thing. Yeah, continue it. That's
Yeah.
65.
Okay.
Then we 65 plus 90.
Yes.
Yes, equal.
We get 155.
155. Okay.
And then x equals 180 minus 155.
X equals 180 minus 155. Yes.
25.
So x is equal to
25.
It's very easy, as you see. Thank you, Stanislav.
Yes. No problem, teacher.
It's okay. Did you write or are you writing?
Yes, teacher, I'm writing.
Okay.
I will.
Oh, let me take the attendance, guys. While you're writing.
Teacher, can you go back to the previous one?
Yes.
Excuse me, teacher, what page is this?
In the book, let me check. Angles formed by a transversal. 25. It starts from page 25. And these questions you have on page, these questions you have on page 35.
Thank you.
See there, the same ones. The topic starts from page 25. The questions are in the 35. Now we'll continue with the topic. We didn't finish the topic, okay? If you're ready, can I continue?
Can you go to the other one?
Yes,
Because
teacher.
we have done this.
Teacher,
Okay.
in the exam we will have like these exercises?
Yes, yes. In the exam you will have like this.
Ready?
I finished.
Guys,
Wait, teacher. Wait,
Ready,
teacher.
teacher.
Finish also.
One
okay. Okay, it's okay.
Yes.
Now we have here the other, some more properties about angles for transversal. So here, as you see, we have another shape, another figure, two parallel lines, and here we have three angles, A, B, C. In these kind of figures, the sum of these angles will be 360 degrees. Okay, it's a property if D and K, the lines here are parallel. Okay, in that case, the sum of these angles, they are on the same direction, same side. All of them is on the same side. So their sum will be 360 degrees. So here, as you see, we have an example. Let me solve this one. Listen, and then I will give you time to write it if you want to write, okay? So here, it's given that AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD, and some of the angles are given as X values. Now we need to find the X. Here, only 2X is not on the same direction, same side. So what we'll do, we'll write here this part that it is, what will be this part? If this part is 2x.
180 minus 2x.
180 minus 2x is this angle. Now, I know the property and I can write that 5x plus 3x plus 180 minus 2x is equal to 360. Yes?
Yes.
Let's see what will happen. We have 5x and 3x here. It will be 8x. And minus 2x, it will be 6x. Plus 180 is equal to 360. Now I will take 180 to the other side. It will be 6x is equal to 360 minus 180. And 6x is equal to 180. Then x will be
30.
30 degrees. Did we understand?
Yes.
Okay, so now you can write it, and let me take the attendance while we are writing. Yusuf is here? No. Anita? No. Alexander? Alexander? Alexander, are you here? Eva?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay. Elsa?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Amra?
I'm here.
Okay. And Yona?
Here.
Okay. Stephanie?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Kibariye?
Here.
I'm here, teacher.
I cannot hear your voice today, Tringa. What happened?
I am here.
Okay. Lisa?
I am here, teacher.
Teacher, my internet connection is bad. I don't know. I hear you, then I don't hear you. When I start talking, it gets stopped. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Okay. Arta Kasami
I'm here.
and Giovanna?
I'm here.
Vesa?
I'm here.
And Stanislav?
Am I here, teacher?
I don't know. Salman?
Maybe.
Here, teacher.
Today you are here, Stanislav. You solved the question. You are here.
Oh, it's good, teacher. I'm here.
Rumesa?
Here.
Sarah?
I'm here.
Teacher.
Okay. Erman?
I'm here, teacher.
Erman is here. Hamza? Besan?
Here.
Or
Teacher.
Kaysib
I'm-
Alexander?
Yes, I'm here.
You are here. Okay. Did you finish writing?
Yes.
No, teacher, wait.
No.
No. Right.
It's okay, teacher.
Teacher, what does M angle mean?
Measure of that angle.
Okay, thank
Measure.
you.
Because if you're writing only this one, angle A, for example, you're talking about angle A, not for how many degrees or how much degrees it is, okay? But if you're writing measure of angle A, then you can write that it is, for example, 30 degrees or 40 degrees, okay? Measure.
Okay, thank you.
Now, let's see what we have here. We have another property. As you see, again, we have two parallel lines and lots of angles between them. So here, the sum of the angles, look what is shown as green, A, B, C, D. The sum of them is equal to the sum of X, Y, Z. The angles which are on the same side, the sum of them is equal to the angle, the sum of the angles of the other side. Did you understand?
No.
Yes, teacher.
Look here,
Yes.
we have X, Y, Z. They are on the same side and they are looking to the same direction. And their sum is equal to the sum of the A, B, C, D, and they are on the same side. And they are looking, they have the same direction. For example, here in this example, which angles are on the same side?
35 and 25.
Yes.
And
So-
4 and X.
X and X.
Yes. So what we'll do, 35 plus 25 is equal to 4x plus x. Then
Can
if 60 is equal to 5x, then x will be
12.
12. Now here we are not looking for x, we are looking for the measure of ABC. Which angle is ABC? Measure of angle ABC is 4x. So what we'll do, we found that x is 12. We'll do 4 times 12, which will be 48. So measure of angle ABC is 48 degrees. Did we understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
So the angles which are on the same side, you will add them, and then they are the same as the sum of the angles on the other side. You don't.
Teacher, can we do another exercise like this?
Yes, we will have. You don't have to write, guys, all this explanation. You can draw the figure and write this one. It will be easier for you. And then the question. When you will be ready, tell me to continue.
I'm ready.
Teacher,
Yes.
this part when we add it with 4, like 4 times 12. Why do we do that? Like the last part.
This here, as you see,
Yeah.
it says
Yeah.
find the measure of angle ABC. Angle ABC is the 4x, this one.
Yeah.
And because of that, I'm multiplying, the 12 by 4 to find the question, what is asked us.
Okay.
It's here, we're not
So
looking
it
at
can
the
be a
4x.
different number.
What?
It can be different number. It can be a different number. It
Yes,
depends on the x.
yes. But here it's given as 4x. Because of that, we will multiply it with.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Teacher, can we solve another exercise like this?
Okay, if you're
Yes.
ready, I can continue to the next page.
It's okay, teacher.
Now here we have another property. Look here in the figure. You know this symbol, this one?
It's the right angle.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
perpendicular. We say it's perpendicular in English. Perpendicular means that if two lines forms a 90-degree angles. For example, this one, as you see here, OA and KL or LK, they're perpendicular each other. Why? Because they form a 90 degrees, a right angle here. If you have this kind of figure, look, two sides of the two angles are perpendicular to each other. As you see, LK, this is one side of the angle KLB. LK is perpendicular to OA and LB is perpendicular to OB. So in this case, the sum of these angles, opposite angles here, will be 180. It is AOB plus KLB or NLB. It's KN both given. Did you understand? So the sum of these opposite angles will be 180 if the other angles are 90 degrees.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Now let's see this question here. What is given us and what is asked. Oops. This is the figure and BA is perpendicular to FD. As you can see, there is a 90 degrees angle here. BC is perpendicular to FE. And what we have here, BA is parallel to FG. BA is parallel to FG. These two, they are parallel to each other. And the measure of angle ABC is 60 degrees. And GFE is X, and we're looking for X. Now, what will be your first step here? What we know for this?
Teacher, we know that FEB is 90 degrees and
FEB is 90 degrees, okay. You mean this one?
Yes, and BD if F is 90 degrees.
And this one?
Yes.
And what we know more?
Or that
E is equal to 180 minus 60.
So this one here, from this property, this angle here, will be, let's write, measure of angle DF, I couldn't write it well, DFE is equal to 180 minus 60, so it will be 120.
Teacher, also GFD will be 90 degrees because it is parallel to the A.
Yes, because BA is parallel to GF, so this one also will be 90 degrees, yes?
Yes, and now with 360, we can do it.
So here we have a complete angle, and 90 plus 120 plus x will be 360. Yes?
Yes.
From here, what we'll find, 210 plus x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus
210.
210. So x is equal to
150.
150 degrees. It's okay?
Yes.
Okay, great. Miss Antigona is sending me pictures. It's okay?
Yes.
Yeah, teacher.
Hi there. We have 4 minutes. Let's see what we can do more. Bisector of an angle. I don't know in your native language how it is, but bisector is the line that will divide the angle into 2 equal angles. I don't know how it's called in Albanian and in Macedonian. In Macedonian, maybe it's symmetral, something like that. But here, as you see, if I have an angle AOB, I'm saying AOC, so OB, as you see, divides it into 2 equal angles, like A and A. So OB is the bisector of the angle. So the bisectors of 2 adjacent supplementary angles are perpendicular to each other. Did you understand this property? If the figure is not given to you, would you draw this figure only with this property? Also, this is important in geometry. If you can, if you can draw the figure from the given ones, if the figure is not given to you. So bisector, we understood that divides the angles into 2 equal parts. And adjacent angles, what we said, komshi, komshia, komshu.
Yes.
So as you see here, ABD and DBA, these angles are adjacent angles, and their bisectors forms another 90 degrees angle, it says here. Okay, so these 2 definitions, and I mean 1 definition, 1 property, if you are writing, I can wait, or I can show you an example, what they want to say to us. Can I continue? Then you can write from the video. If
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
book, because we have 2 minutes to show you 1 example according to this. Now I will take this one. The others are the things that we studied. I mean, we can solve next lesson. I will take only this example. Okay, this one here. It says in the figure BE, let's find BE and BF are the bisectors of ABD and CBD, ABD and CBD, respectively. Find the measure of angle EBF, measure of angle EBF. Now, let's check if I can take only this one. Yes, great. Now let me take this here down. Now here, if we don't know the property, can I say that if this angle is A and this one is A, because BE is the bisector, yes?
Yes.
And if this angle is B and this angle is B, because BF is another bisector. And from the figure, we can see that the angle,
2a plus 2b is 180.
yes. So the sum of them, a plus b is 180 degrees. It's okay, this one? Because it's
Yes.
a straight angle here. It's 180. So I have 2a plus 2b is equal to 180. Then 2, I am taking in front of the parentheses, a plus b is equal to 180. So a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. So as you see, this one here that we were looking,
It's a perpendicular.
it's a perpendicular. They are perpendicular to each other.